M3 Lite from Elanders is a so-called digital asset management system. It is a tool that makes digital assets easy to find, share, label, revise, reuse, and publish or print, regardless of type or format. Different types of marketing material can be handled in the system. The system gives a possibility to add a watermark for restricted material as a warning to the user. Assets of interest can be collected in the work folder for further processing. Number of assets in the work folder has increased. Click on the link to open the work folder. The work folder window opens up and can be moved around as preferred. To enter to the asset itself, you can, for example, click on the asset miniature image. The asset overview page appears. Here you can see a larger preview image of the asset. You will also see the most important metadata information about the asset. Furthermore, some asset actions such as add to your work folder can be performed on the overview page. The active files for the asset can be downloaded by clicking on the file name on the overview page. All asset metadata information is presented on the details page. Users with right to modify assets are also able to update the asset metadata information on this page. The asset is passing through different milestones during its life cycle. These milestones are presented and managed on the asset workflow page. Users that have right to manage files for the asset will be able to see the Files tab, and here they can upload new files or delete files for the asset. If the file has been updated, it is possible to see and download older file versions by clicking on the link Show File History. On the Asset Relations page, it is possible to see and manage connections between the current asset and other assets in the system. Many asset management tools can be reached from the work folder. Click on the link Download Assets to go to the Order Download page. The Order Download page is used to make file downloads for several assets simultaneously, or if the file package is to be sent to other recipients than the user himself. Select the files that you want to download. Desired recipients' email addresses are entered in this field. Then, when user clicks on Order Download, a download link to the file package is sent away. The function multi-indexing can be reached from the work folder and is used when asset information for several assets is to be updated simultaneously. Also, the workflow updates can be managed for many assets at the same time by using the function Manage Workflow. To remove all current assets from the work folder, click on the Empty Work Folder link. Close the work folder window by clicking here. On the search page, it's possible to search for any asset in the system. The user can decide to search among all asset types or within a specific asset type. The search result can either be presented as miniature images, thumbnails, or as a report. It's possible to define how many assets to display per page in the search result. Click on the link Advanced Search Form to open up the detailed search form. Here the user is able to enter more specific search criteria in order to make more narrow searches. It's also possible to make free text searches by using the Quick Search function. The search result for the Quick Search string will be presented as miniature images. All asset information is considered when searching for the specific term.